What is up, guys? What is up? Can you guys first off let me just ask. It's a makeshift setup today, guys. Not at my normal station. As you guys can see, I'm actually here on location at the Ritz Carlton in Florida. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me at all? I know, and there's going to be a lag here for my setup, so I can't really see certain things, guys. But can you guys hear me? Can you all hear me? Start a big McDonald's. Oh my gosh. What's up, big boy crypto? What's up, IBC Mafia? Chad, Degen, Chris, Patrick, Pardesh, Brandy, guys. What's up, B? What's up, Blue? Patrick, what's up, guys? It sounds good. Okay, everybody can hear me. Good, 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 guys. Sorry, I was actually gonna try to do this at the pool. I was trying to do this in a lot of different spaces. Yeah, at the Ritz, though, guys. You know, sometimes it's good, as they say, to touch grass and to kind of focus on other things. This week is one of those weeks. Although I will say, you need to kind of be fluid and being able to pay attention on what's happening in the market. Obviously, right? There's a lot of crazy things actually happening in the market. So yeah, we're going to be talking about quite a bit of things. The fear, what I think about it, what I'm doing about it. We're going to be talking about things, hopefully, that you guys have been doing with your guys' position. It's not. Oh my gosh, Luna. Oh my gosh. What's up, Patrick? What's up, Mark? Good morning, guys. Guys, first off, let me just ask. Let me just ask. Actually, you know what? Let me do this. It'll probably be a lot easier. Let me do a poll real quickly, guys. Is crypto over? You guys let me know what you guys think. Simple yes or no, guys. Yes or no. Said Citadel and Yellen. Yeah, I don't want to swear. I don't want to swear, but yeah. Luna is dead. Rip. What's up, Brahma? What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet because obviously my kids are actually in the pool right now. It's a beautiful. I had to close the curtains on this. It's a beautiful, beautiful. If you guys haven't ever been to a Ritz Carlton in any state, I definitely suggest doing so, guys. By the way, Cosmoverse 2023, Ritz Carlton. That's all I'm saying. Let's forget the noise. Let's bring our conventions to a whole new level. What they deserve, guys. Let's treat them like they should be treated. But yeah, let me know, guys. Ritz Carlton 2023, Crypto Tank, IBC Gang. We'll head it. We'll let you. We'll do it, guys. That or Gaylord Opulent. Because if you guys, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I love some of the answers first and foremost that I'm seeing, guys. I'm not out. I'm not out, guys. I'm not out right now. Before we do get into everything, though, if you guys would do me a quick favor, like the video, subscribe if you haven't been a subscriber to this channel. It really does help us out, especially in times like this, guys. The sentiment is in the gutter. People are exiting crypto. There's not going to be a lot of viewers. So it really does mean the world to me and the IBC Gang YouTube channel if you guys would, help us out by trying to reach more people, especially in the Cosmos ecosystem, because the more people that see these videos in the Cosmos ecosystem, hopefully the more benefit they get out of it, and the more benefit your portfolio or profile gets, whatever you want to say, your purse, your bags get, in turn. So scratch our back, we'll scratch yours. Help us out. Tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell everybody you know. Like this video, share it on Twitter, guys. Although I don't think I tweeted out that we went live. Again, trying to work makeshift, but it really does help me out, though. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and jump on into it. We're on the Bitcoin Coinbase chart on the daily. We're using Market Cipher, like always, for our oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Check this out right now, guys. I know, again, I don't want to give you guys hopium. Check this out on the charts, okay? First, screw all the noise. Screw all the noise with stable coins and stuff like that right now. Just maybe not noise, but get it out of your head right now. Let's just look at the charts and let's just look at the data, because that's all we can do is just look at the data, look at the charts, and that's how we formulate probabilities, right? It's all math. It's all averages, numbers, probabilities by averages and stuff like that. So let's just do that, and let's kind of get our emotions out of our heads and out of our hearts right now. Sometimes, I mean, like I always tell you guys got to be killers. You guys got to be heartless. You guys got to be stone cold when you're looking at, the charts, when you're trying to think about the maneuvers that you're going to make with your assets and your capital and the relationship between all of that. But let's take a look at things right now. We're looking at Market Cipher B that houses the momentum waves and the RSIs right now. RSIs, obviously, we're coming back down much like they did right here during the summer dump of 2021. Gosh, it feels like years have passed. I don't even know what year it is anymore, guys. But look at that, guys, how similar it is. How we had that, just that dying. And then we had this as well, guys, that dying, guys. If you guys want to see how that correlates up here, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Summer die, and oh, I'm sorry, summer die, December dying into the new year. Or no, let me get this right. No, okay, yeah. Summer dying. Excuse me. See what's what happens when I get all off track, not on my normal setups. I wish I could show you guys. I'm using my laptop and this second monitor that I got. It was pretty cool. It wasn't like one of those. I wanted to get one of those that attach to your laptop, but like just come out like the Eagle Eye and stuff like that. But I was like, I need it quickly, so I just got like this $130 extra S connected thing. What's up, Nick? What's up, Nick? I'm in Discord, by the way. Yo, what's up, man? What's up? So let's take a look at this, guys. Okay, summertime. The start of our lows during the new year, right? Like when we failed the top right here. Let me show you guys the similarities that are actually happening. Again, this is just, I'm not saying I'm absolutely right. I'll just show you guys right down here on Market Cipher B how similar this looks. Check out this RSI dip down, and then we found that flooring position right here, right? Again, you guys know I always look for those momentum waves, those negative momentum waves to start curving back up here. Oh, you guys can't see it. Hold on, let me change. You guys can't see it because it's stupid. My thing is stupid. Hold on. I'll change it, guys. Everything is messed up here. Hold on. I can change it. Make me smaller. There we go. That should be better. Okay, check this out, guys. So RSIs, momentum waves, right? Like you can see the mountaintops and all this stuff were just trending downwards. RSIs were coming back down from the top right here, just came back down, went into the bottom of the pot of the flooring position, or the valleys, if you want to call it, whatever you want to call it. We found a flooring position of the valley right here. It ranged here, up and down, and bam, comes back up, makes another mountain range or tippy top right here for us to climb up and conquer. And then we did our thing. We went sideways, like always. Markets don't move in a straight line, right? They go up, they go down, we go sideways. Those are only three things that are ever going to happen in the market. So we came back up from the bottom of that basin there. Momentum waves came back up right here. That curvature happened, that beautiful curvature that happens all the time that I like on the negative money flow came back up here. And then we created that mountaintop. And again, guys, failed on that double top, came back down yet again, found that flooring position in the bottom of the valley right here with the RSIs. We ranged while doing it, right? And again, I want to tell you guys, it's not when you're talking about like bottoms or tops, it's not this. Like it's never that beautiful, right? It's janky as heck. It's like this and like this, and then like that. Or like it's never straight line beautiful. Like we're not just gonna go sideways like that, guys. And also when we hit tops, we're not just gonna like square off like that either. It's janky. It's super, super wonky, guys. But check it out. Fail, come down, janky, pop, fail, come down, janky, pop. Again, this one right here, look how it's doing again, guys. Fail, come down, probably going to be janky, pop. Hold on one second, guys. Room service, probably. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Nick, take it over. It is. Is it brutal though, or is this is it glorious? Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta text my wife and let her know. This is one thing when you stay at the Ritz, guys. You want something, they will get it for you. You don't got a refrigerator, you don't got a microwave. We got a refrigerator, but you don't got like a good big old microwave. Just tell them you want one. They'll go get it. They just brought a microwave to me, guys. They just brought it. A microwave secured. In room. Thumbs up. There you go. Got to make the wife happy. She's out there sunbathing with the kids, guys. Anyway, so where were we? Where were we? Sorry about that, Nick. So let me just kind of I don't want to go on forever. Let me just kind of pull it all together, guys. So failure right here, janky, 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 janky. Failure right here, janky, janky, janky. The thing, the most I want you guys to look at is this section right here. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on. They couldn't hear you the whole time. Oh, desktop audio. I'm sorry. Try now.
Hello, hello.
There you guys.
You guys hear me?
I'm very sorry. I did it again to Nick. I did it again. Basically, Nick was saying it's bloody. Right? It's bloody.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much so.
And now I'm saying maybe it's glorious. You know, it's glorious. Just depending on how your perspective is. Anyway, guys, look at this right here, guys. When we failed, right? Like this is the big failure, the double top right here, and then we start coming down, right? Take a look at this. And again, I could be wrong, could be absolutely wrong, but I want to point some stuff out to you guys here. Right here. See this section right here? I think we're right here. In comparison, I think we're right here, guys. That's where I think we're at right here. Which means we do have this next section to go through right here, guys. We have this still to go through right here. And no, it's not over. It's not over at all. I told you guys my thesis. I think the markets have done the job very well for the Feds. I think the markets have definitely done its job for the Feds very well. That way the Feds aren't to blame. You know, they did their 50-point basis rate hike. I think they're going to hit us somewhere between 25 to 50 in the next month coming, this next month. I think that's what's going to happen. And then I really do think, guys, that we're going to 25, or if not less on the next month after that. And then things are going to settle off Q3, Q4. That is my thesis. I'm very, very confident in that. I'm sticking with it. Now, there are some caveats to that, guys. I really do think, the variables of the war that's happening with Russia and Ukraine, and also getting involved in some other nation states and nations and countries. If that, goes sideways, I might have to change my thesis. With the Hong Kong issue and people being locked down there in Shanghai and the port being kind of like congested and locked with supply and demand, issues not being met throughout the world, because if you guys don't know, we get a lot of stuff from China. But I really do think, in the next couple of months, those things will kind of settle down. Things will get back to normal. And I do think that this administration for the United States and the Fed do not want to close it out and look like the complete bad guys by the end of the year. So again, guys, that's my thesis. I really do think this next 6 months, the first 3, still kind of going through this section right here is what we're going to go through. And then at the end of the year, we're going to have something that looks like this. We're going to have something that looks like this, which is going to come with ups and downs. The unfortunate event that happened with Terra and the UST stablecoin, along with people's fear now, because guys, this is what a bear market. This is what happens in bear markets. People don't believe it because a lot of people are new. This is literally what happens in bear markets. The snowball turns into an avalanche real fast, and then it spreads like wildfire. I know it went from ice to hot, but it spreads like wildfire out there to everything and anything else remotely close to the same topic that started that little avalanche, guys. That's literally what happened. I know I'm again from snow to fire, but you guys get what I'm saying. This is what happens in capitulation. This is what happens in bear markets. This is what happens. Now you guys are experiencing it. Now you guys fully understand, because the narrative out there right now on social media is USDT is being attacked. And what if USDT loses? But you guys don't know. That narrative has been around for a while. I'm not saying that that's not right and that couldn't happen. You'd be a fool to think that, we all know the deals with USDT. We all know. But also at the same time, they've been around for a long time and they can just print. It's kind of like fiat money in crypto. Like they've never really been audited. They can just turn it on and print something endlessly if they need to fill their bags and to protect the peg. It's kind of like the US dollar in crypto, to be honest with you. So like, not that I like it, but that narrative has been said for quite a long time. I don't think, my humble opinion, I could eat my word, and then my portfolio is going to die along with everybody else as well. But I haven't moved. I'm still DCAing, and I don't think that we have any other problems with these other major stablecoins at the moment. Yes, they could be getting attacked though. But the one thing about USDC or USDT is literally, it's like when I think about what of it, it's like the USD of crypto. It really is. Um, anyway, but a lot of people's theses and a lot of people's plays were just thrown out the window with this UST issue. With that being said, we'll get into it in just a little bit. I do want to just share with you guys and give you guys food for thought with the similarities right here. And that's my thesis with Bitcoin, guys. That's what I really do honestly think. What do you think, Nick?
It's hard. I'm gonna be honest because I have a mixed feeling on kind of everything.
Everybody has that mixed feeling. Yep. And I don't blame
But
you.
I,
I don't blame you or anybody else that also feels the same way.
but I agree with you for the most part. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
not much we could do at this point.
USDT is the real Ponzi. Yep. I mean, maybe, but still, like you guys get what I'm saying about the comparison between USD and USDC, like or USDT. Excuse me, don't let me get that confused. That's the real comparison. Like when you really think about the crypto market, when you really think about what we're going through, USDT is literally like USD in crypto. To where if we needed to print ourselves out of it, or if they needed to print themselves out of it, they can, they have, and they will. Like it's not like the algorithmic stablecoin or like DAI or Luna USD. Like it's not like that. Like, and there's nobody that's ever been like they like kind of like the US, right? Like the audit thing, it could be just perspective, right? How you view it. Like, yeah, it's like I'm being honest with you guys. It's bad. I don't feel good, and I'm not promoting it, but like at the same time, like they've done it. They'll probably do it again, and they could just print their way out of it, kind of thing. But yeah. Anyway, I don't want to keep going in. It's all about perspective, right? It's how you're looking at it. Let's take a look at Market Cipher A. Again, short-term levels, these fib levels. Look how they look. I mean, not that they're holding up very well, but I do want to again. Look at these fibs. Look at these. This is a daily chart, guys. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys as well. This is the daily chart. And, I'm going to put a little bit of weight on this, even though we're failing right now. Let me show you guys how the beautiful thing about fibs. Look at these daily wicks. Each one of these candles. I'm like, seriously. Look at this wick, how it wicked right down to the 0.236. Look at this wick, how it wicked down, and this one wicked straight down to our golden pocket, that 0.618. Look how this wick wicks straight down to the 0.78. Look how this wick tried to come straight down to the 1. Guys, these wicks and these fibs matter. Again, I'm just telling you, if you're a trader, which I'm not really, I'm not very much of a trader, but if you guys were getting in and out on some of your positions based on these wicks, guys, if you guys were setting your limit buys, limit sells and stuff like that, I can't speak today, based on some of these wicks, you guys would be murdering things right now. You guys wouldn't be the murdered. You guys would be murdering things right now. Now, again, with price action and the volatility and the momentum, there are times I've told you guys that I'm looking to buy on some of these. I've waited because it's slipped through. If you're looking on the hourly, guys, and of course I was also on the plane recently, but like it slipped through quite well. Again, this is even a better representation, guys, of these fibs. Look how they come straight down here. Bank, 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 bank. They just bounce. They just bounce and work as resistance and support. But I'm waiting. My point of right now is I do think, again, like my thesis that I was just telling you guys, again, that we're in this section of the charts right here. Oops, that's the weekly. It's not going to look the same. I do think we're in this section of the charts right here. Please pay attention to this. Please pay attention to this. 1000%. Again, not financial advice, but I'm telling you guys right now. I think we're in this section right here on the charts. Look at this right here. You see how and then how it tried to come back up like that. And then maybe it does a little bit, but then it gets legs taken from underneath them. I think we're in this section, and I think we're going to go through this over the next 2 months, 2 months, give or take. 3 months if you're conservative and really, really protecting yourself. I think we're going to go through here. So there's a better position, in my humble opinion, coming up shortly. I think I honestly truly do think that. I honestly truly do think that. Now, just because I don't know where the bottom and I don't know where the tops are, and nobody does, start your DCA plan. I admittingly did, when I woke up this morning, I did buy a little bit of Bitcoin because it's below my going in pocket. And then again, if you go on the daily, it's in between where I want it to be. Now I have huge buy orders. I'm not going to go through all of that stuff, like very, very much down below for Bitcoin, because I want to long-term accumulate Bitcoin all the way down, guys, to $10,000 to $12,000. Really do. Even then, I will have capital to back all this up if it goes to the 4, to the 2, to the whatever. I will buy. I will buy. I'm not joking. I've always showed it to you guys. I will buy. But let's move on, guys. Let's talk about ETH. I mean, I'm not. It's gonna sound. I'm not being conceited at all. I'm not, because anybody that's that way is a piece of shit. To be honest with you, sorry YouTube. I don't mean to swear, but I've been preaching to you guys for forever about Ethereum's 200 moving day simple moving average strategy, guys. 48.88%. I've been telling you guys forever that 1876 right here, this white line, is a good place to maybe start DCAing or considering to DCA with your capital for Ethereum if you guys wanted to accumulate more Ethereum. Where the hell are we? I've been saying this for forever, seems like. And if you guys were patient, like I've been patient, with my main bags, my main capital to start DCAing on some of this, because I've been waiting for the bear market to abuse these assets. You guys should be thinking that this is glorious instead of murderous. Like really, like I've been saying this for forever. I got rid of everything else too because it's here. Now look at it. It's here. It's here. Let me show you guys Bitcoin real quick, because I didn't. Again, we slipped through that. If you guys were waiting this whole time to start accumulating with Bitcoin, you're in a good place right now. Same thing with ETH. You're in a good place right now. Actually, let's take another good look real quick. The Dow Jones. This is on a daily, guys. Let me go to the weekly, actually. It's better on the daily. But look, I'm still thinking we might come down here, look at it, and then pull away. NASDAQ on the daily chart, guys, and I've been saying this for forever as well. Look at this. 26.27 total average move down. Where are we? We're getting so close to it. If you were prepared for these bear market scenarios, like I've been telling you guys for months, you guys are patiently waiting for these levels. Yes, it sucks that if some of you guys were waiting with your capital in UST, like nobody could have, like maybe you could have foresaw that. But like, that's why it's nice to diversify even your stable coins and not have it all in one. I had it in I have some in USDT, USDC, USDT, UST, even though I had to make a move on that and I took a small L, but it was cushioned. Like, it's nice to do that. I have it in GUSD too, guys. I have USD on the side as well in some platforms, just waiting, guys. You guys gotta be diversified, because if you just put all your eggs in one basket, you're gonna get fudged. I said fudged, YouTube. But guys,
Good job.
yeah, I did. See, but look at that, guys. Can you ban Mohammed Patel for spamming? Thank you. Beat it. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. That's what happens right there, guys. Bear market. The hard scam comes, and the spam. Guys, really, I've been showing you guys these levels for forever. NASDAQ, Dow Jones, SPX. Where are we coming down to, guys? I've showed you guys 34.72. Can you kill that guy too? Can you kill that noise too?
Yeah, it's delayed for whatever reason. I keep putting them in time.
Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. That's what happens when it happens. Yeah. Apologies, guys. Apologies, friends. Let's move quickly. Gosh. Can we ban him forever?
For whatever reasons, that they keep having new accounts, man.
Hold on. Yeah. We're under attack, just like everything else. We're under attack. We're just gonna keep pressing on, guys. Don't even worry about it, guys. Let them do their things. Thank you for increasing the activity levels, you trolls. You're actually doing us a favor, so keep biting the cookie. Nobody cares about your stupid spam anyway, though. Let's move on into. Do we even want to talk about Luna? Do we even want to talk about Luna?
Just take a look at the chart.
But look at the
Just a little bit.
fibs though, right? Look at the fibs. Look at the fibs. Not that this matters. It just went to zero. Like it doesn't matter
Yeah,
when it says
literally.
zero fib. It bounced right off my fib line. I told you guys it bounced right off my fib line. And I don't want to look at this, guys. Nobody wants to look at this anymore. It's Janet Yellen. Um. All right, right here. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Our favorite asset. Let's quickly talk about it, guys. Again, this is also another one of those. Just because, thankfully, I was actually traveling and I've been waiting. I'm going to be buying here in just a little bit. Did I miss my going in pocket opportunity? Just it's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. I might actually make this buy live on stream in just a little bit, guys. I'm telling you guys. Yes, we could go lower. Let me take a look right now at Adams. Yeah, it does look like if you zoom in right here, look how it's kind of failing right here. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you guys right here. Maybe wait a little bit. I've been saying, I was gonna buy this going and pocket and all this stuff. Like if my thesis and my thoughts are correct about us going through this right here with the RSIs and momentum waves again, we're at this section specifically right here. We're literally at right here at this moment. I don't even think we're gonna do something as drastic as this. I do think that we're gonna roll over and come back down a little bit more, and then we're gonna go through this between potentially 22 to 30, and over the next couple of months. I really do think that, guys. Um, yeah. I think that. So, I do. Again, I'm not backing on my word. I'm ready. I'm ready to make these buys, guys. But it doesn't make sense if I actually think with the momentum and with the price action, with the sentiment and what's happening, it would be smart to be patient a little bit more before deploying any more capital out there, guys. Would be smart. I'm waiting for a little bit lower. I'm waiting for a little bit lower. But honestly, guys, I'm long term bullish on Atom. I think again, I'm playing this. I'm playing this DGen play right here, guys. Before the 19th, I might just buy. We'll see where we're at when we get closer to it. I might just buy some Atom and hold. You don't even have to stake it because you know what's coming on the 19th, and that might be the play. I don't know. That might be the play. I think I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit on that one though. Maybe I get this 0.786, which would be phenomenal. Fun. I don't know. I don't know if you guys are with me on this one, but I think if Atom comes down $4 or $5, um, I think a lot of people should be buying between $4 or $5 all the way down to one. Would you guys would be crazy, miss that opportunity. Um, yeah. Sorry guys, it's kind of delayed, so I'm not BFOT holding up at zero. Uh,
You mean Buddha?
yeah. Okay, guys, let's quickly go through it real quick. Let's go through the noise. Right now, super bullish thing that just happened. Super bullish thing that just happened. As you guys can see, Australia listed their ETF on their exchanges today, on the traditional exchanges today, guys. And if I can go down here, Australia has joined the likes of Canada, Europe to approve Bitcoin spot ETF and ETP respectively. US is behind, basically, is the only one behind right now with just futures. I do think you guys know Grayscale. I'm telling you guys want to go down a black hole and really freak yourself out? Go check out Grayscale, BlackRock, all them. See how much they own. See how much they own you and everything you do. They are pushing for a spot Bitcoin on the markets. If they want it, they'll get it. It's only a matter of time. But that's super bullish. So not all bearish out there today. Super bullish right now. It hasn't done anything for the price, obviously. Pretty interesting, and coincidentally being listed right when things are dipping, right? But hey, it is what it is, guys. Let's go on in to the talk right now of Tether being attacked. Yes, it is below. It is a little bit below $1, I believe, but it's 99.36 on, what is this, Binance. Just recently, it just went through something recently right here. Ooh, that was a nasty. Whoa, did it wick down? No, that was a day. Hold on. Ooh, that just happened a couple hours ago. It was attacked, maybe. It was maybe getting attacked because the fear and the sentiment's out there. But I'm telling you guys, look how they can just print stuff back into it. Maybe I'm wrong. Right now, though, another stable that's doing phenomenally well. Look at USDC. Guys, what do we have in osmosis right now? USDC. USDC. So maybe that's the play, right? I don't know. I don't know. I think one of the it's the chosen child for more reasons than not. I think that is. But yeah, you can get into USDC if you're in Cosmos through Sift Chain, through I think Evmos has it. Does Evmos have it, guys? Um, and obviously osmosis now, and there's many bridges to get into USDC if you guys need to. So yeah, I know I do have a good chunk of it in USDC right now. And then also, like, you can't deny, honestly, you can't deny, by the way, before we go back to other things, um euro. You really, and they're actually, oh, it's 95 cents. Hold on, maybe you can. um Wait. No, no, no. I thought euro. Forgive me. I thought euro was actually. Holy shit! Everything's under attack. God, I'm sorry for swearing. Everything's under attack. I thought that they actually were. Maybe I was wrong. Been so much stable talk right now. Weren't they? Aren't they audited and like actually have one for one like a physical backing or whatever? Yeah, they do have a USD. Sifchain does have a USDC pool as well. The Tether total supply will not change during this process. In a few minutes, Tether will be. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Rama. Thank you, Rama. Oh, I think I did see that. Actually, I think I did see that on here. Yeah, as you can see right here. This is the tweet that Rama's talking about right here. So maybe that was it. Maybe that was it right here. Moving on. Guys, Terra does, and you guys might already know this. Obviously, they have prop one. Look at how many props they have. It's kind of weird being in like Osmosis and Juno so much, and all these other ones where it's like prop 22 and like they have 1188 prop on here. But they do have a prop right now going on for UST. Check it out. It's a little bit much to go into, and I don't have that much time to sit here and talk about UST over and over and over. You guys already have your thesis. You guys probably already have your sentiment and your thought process about what you think UST is. But yeah, check it out, guys. You guys can check it out on Terra underscore money on Twitter. And then I want to play this real quickly. Going in, you guys know I respect Jacob. I respect his thoughts. I respect his concerns. I respect his work and his opinions about everything. But I'm gonna play this for you guys, and I want you guys to listen. This is real. This is real stuff. This is like one of the most transparent guys out there in the space as a developer, as a validator, and a relayer as well. Like, he's super transparent, which I 1000% respect, him giving out his opinion and stuff like that. But I want you guys to watch this. And I don't want to give this to you guys and fear you guys out because you guys already heard my thoughts about USDT and everything else. I'm still here. But I want you guys to listen to this.
Hi, good afternoon. I was ingesting some coffee there. That coffee feeling. All right,
it's 2 minutes long. 2 minutes long, but bear with it.
A few minutes ago, I told our entire team that if Tether is nuked, that it's perfectly possible we can't make payroll. And then I had to tell our team, hey guys, just so you know, it means that everybody we do business with also becomes insolvent. I'm going to run you guys through it as quickly as I can. Bitcoin is effectively Tether backed. The account Bitfinex has talked about this for a long time. I don't know if the Twitter account Bitfinex is right in their theory, but here's what I do know. All right, if Tether is successfully and fully fucked, let me just make clear to the audience here, I expect BTC not over $3,000. I have a bunch of reasons to believe this. I have done the math. I've done the math for years. It's the doomsday scenario. And apparently some nitwit trash, worked out that doomsday scenario. So everyone, please, just know that it's in play. And I don't know what that means
Yep.
that you should do.
They are loving
Okay,
it.
and that's what I told our team too. Personally, I would just carry on, probably until approximately when I may go bankrupt. Okay, I like this direction. I like what I do, but everybody deserves to know the risks. This risk, he asked me yesterday, I would have said it didn't exist. All right, bye, dudes.
Interesting, very transparent. Jacob, respect you. I know you're very busy. Would love to have you back on the show soon when I get back, and really get your insight on what's happening throughout, not just Cosmos, but through the crypto environment as a whole. So thank you so much again, Jacob, and Notional, and the team members there, and everybody associated with Jacob and Notional. Again, guys, they do great work. I'm right there with them. I basically think the same thing, but you guys have already heard. I'm not going anywhere. This is what I love. I love the direction that we're going. I'm still investing. I'm protecting myself, and I'm not jumping the gun. Not trying to catch falling knives. But I'm still here. I'm still here. I've been here. I've gone through this or similar scenarios. Although I will admit, this is pretty crazy.
That'd be terrifying.
Yeah, that would be terrifying. But again, that's the same thing that we've heard for years now. Literally the same thing that we've heard for years now. Not saying that it cannot come true or to fruition. So yeah, I just want to again, I wouldn't be doing my job though. I'm not trying to scare you. I wouldn't be doing my job and being transparent like I've promised you guys. And unbiased like I promised you guys if I didn't share with you guys all possibilities. There's always the possibility that everything we're doing right now just goes to, that's why it's called investing. No risk, no reward. That's why it's called investing. If you can't handle that, you're not an investor. I suggest that you go take your money and play ball somewhere else. That's not me coming at you in any kind of jaded kind of way or anything. That's literally me being very honest and genuinely being concerned for you. If you cannot understand that concept when it comes to being an investor and what it means and the risk involved in being an investor, please stop investing. Save your money, go put it somewhere else, work hard like everybody else, do it the old-fashioned way. It's not for you. If you really cannot stomach that and understand that being an investor means that you risk it going to zero at all times without being able to cry on somebody else's shoulder or blame somebody else, get the F out of the room. Save yourself. This is me not coming at you in a weird way. This is me being worried about you. Get out. Leave the space. It's not going to work for you. You're not going to make it. Get out. But for me, I understand it. For me, the capital I have in could go to zero. I'm cool with it. I've made up my mind a long time ago, and that's me just being very honest and transparent with you guys. I want you guys to save yourselves. I want you guys to get benefit from this. And if that means losing viewers, if that means seeing people leave the crypto space, so be it. I did my job. People are better off for watching my videos. People keep knocking my door. Hold on one second, guys. Nick, can you take over?
Got it, boss. So, what do you guys actually think? Do you think this was like a coordinated attack by like the higher ups, I guess if you want to call it, Citadel and the SEC and the government and stuff like that? I know it's kind of a conspiracy, but like,
all right, guys,
that actually was done.
I'm gonna hit this on Afterburner because I got to wrap it up here. I got my in-laws here. We're gonna go down to the pool in just a minute. All right, let's go over here. A couple other things. So Sunny, the lead dev, the owner operator of Osmosis, proposal incoming, guys. If you guys don't know about this, they're basically trying to protect the liquidity pools with UST. Check out that tweet. Check out what's happening in this conversation right here. You can also see it with their Commonwealth proposal. I'll give you guys the link right here. Check it out. Save yourself and your capital if you need to. Right here. There you go. Next thing I want to talk to you guys about is this Cointelegraph. Tether loses its dollar peg on exchanges for Bitcoin, falls in December, blah, blah, blah. If you guys want to go into that FUD, check that out as well. But honestly, I'm going to keep it short today, guys. I wish I could stick around. I'll stick around a little bit more tomorrow stream when I have more time, but I got to get out of here, go spend some time with the family. Maybe you guys should too. When the markets are turning, the traditional markets, the crypto markets are turning and everything, guys, go touch grass. Stop looking at charts. Stop trying to catch falling knives. Protect your capital. Do what you need to do to be in a better financial situation than what you are right now. Bitcoin trying to get back up to 29.5. Look at that, guys. Look at that. But anyway, guys, I got to get out of here. Much love. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tell your mom, tell your auntie, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell everybody you know. Check us out tomorrow. We'll be live. You guys be good. Nick, I'll see you later, bud. I got to get out of here.
Take it easy, y'all.
Later, guys.
Peace out.
Beat it. I got to figure out how to shut this out, though.